Hello, my dear crafters. I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos around since Spellbinders released their kit, the sealing wax kit. I don't have that, but I'll have the link below if you want it, because even before then, I've always loved using sealing wax. And I have a few. Look at these. Let me show you my two favorite. This one is a beautiful tree, very intricate. And my favorite bird, yes, I love crows. So I have those two, and I also have my initial P. And today what I'm going to teach you is a new way of using the seals, because the ones that we know, and I'll show you a few that I've done in the past. I always have this little box that I created for that. I always keep those there. So let me show you some that I've made with these seals. So that's the crow right there. It's really beautiful, my initials. And that's the tree. Let me just go closer. See, that's the tree right here. And I have these, and as I said, I keep them in this little box that I made, so I have them very handy all the time that I need. But what I'm going to show you today is a very easy and very affordable way of creating beautiful seal, what do you call those? The seals, right? But using your papers, using all the scraps that you have. And the advantage of that is that you're going to, coordinate with your project and use all those scraps that you have at hand. And it's beautiful because it's going to be transparent. So what you're actually going to see is the paper that you used. And that's what I love about it, because you can use solids too. I'm going to show you a few ways. And also, I'm going to tell you how to make this beautiful tool that allows it to be perfectly round. For those of you who want it to be perfectly round, I don't really care, but I've created this for the times when I do. So, and here is where the magic happens. For these, let me show you what they look like. Look how gorgeous they are. So using the same seals, see, you have the tree here. This one is bronze and all of the rest are gold. You have the crow here. And what you actually see in the background, let me show you my initials. Look at that. What you actually see is the paper that you use. And that's what I love about it. And then it's easy, really easy to glue on your projects. So that's what I'm going to teach you how to make today. You don't really have a solid wax like this, but and that's what's really special about this technique, because you can use all the papers and the colors that you need for your projects. So I'm going to show you how to make these. I'm going to show you how to highlight it with gold and the pens that you have and markers that you have at hand, and also how to create this, okay? So here we go, and that's the magic, guys. Here is what you're going to need. This is something that we all have in our craft room. We're going to use hot glue. Yes, hot glue. So let's make a few. I'm going to bring my hot glue gun. Is already hot. First, let me show you the pens that I use, the markers that I used. I've tried many different ones, and here are the best ones. Sharpies. So I'm going to use this Sharpie here. That's the one you saw, the bronze. Sharpies work, the metallic ones, okay? Use the metallic ones, they work really well. This one, guys, is the best, and guess where it's from? Dollar Tree. It's from your dollar store. Just go to the craft area, the craft square that they have. This is perfect. It dries very quickly and it doesn't come off. And this is another one that I have. I'll see if I find it online, because I don't remember where I bought it. This one works well too. But Sharpies, who doesn't have them, right? So let's do this. So let me zoom in, because it will be easier for you to see. You have to see this really close. We're going to zoom in. I'm going to move this a little bit, and let's use this one, for example. So this, by the way, you're going to use a 1-inch punch, okay? That's the perfect size for these. 1-inch punch. So what you do is you cut your paper like this one. You choose the seal that you want. I'm gonna use my tree. I love this tree. I use it a lot. So very easy. Look at this. What you're going to do is just pour some glue and look at the amount that I put. That is usually perfect for that. So there you are. That is perfect. See? And then just use it as you would with the wax. Just leave it there for a few seconds. We're going to do, let me do another one. I'm just going to move this because it just needs a few seconds. Let's do a solid one now, okay? Again, just, I think I need to put a new one here. So there you are. So here we are. Just fill it up like 2/3 of it. That's usually enough. Pull it off. I'm gonna use the crow now. And just press it like you would with the wax. Nothing is different here. The other one should be okay. So let me show you. That's what it looks like. Very easy to peel off. And then you have the tree. You can't really see, oh, maybe like this. It doesn't really show. If you want it to just be like that, I don't like it because you can hardly see. It just looks kind of messy. But that's the beauty of it. You can see the paper. And so that's, let me just move this. And we're going to highlight. Let's use the Dollar Tree one, okay? And I'm going to pull it close to you so you can see. All you need to do is just move it around and color your seal, okay? Just do this, very easy, and you're kind of done. Look at that. How beautiful is that? How easy is it? Quick, you can just sit one afternoon and make like 100 of these. There you are. Look how beautiful it is. The gold. Now you can see the tree, but it doesn't hide the paper, see? It's really, really beautiful. I hope you can see well. Let me see if I come closer. If it's worse, yeah. But you see how perfectly it shows the tree now? So let's get the other one. See? You just pull it off. It comes off very easily. We're going to use, let's use the Sharpie now, okay? Same thing. Just get your pen. There, you can see now, right? So look at that. Just go do circular motion. And with this one, you can just do look at that. You can already see. So let me do the rest here because that's what I love about this because it's so intricate. So just color it and you're done. So see, that's the beauty of this. You can use solid paper and whatever you need for the project you're making, or you can use pattern paper like I used this one. So look at that. How nice is it? Really, really nice. So these are the seals that you can create quickly, but using your glue gun, right? And let me show you how to use this. So the way you make this tool, very easy. I have 3 layers of very thin chipboard, but you can use paper as well, okay? I use chipboard because it's sturdier and it will last forever. And it's also 1 inch. Just cut three layers and then glue it. And I used a little bit of, let me show you, it's right here, sanding paper. I just use it to sand here just to make it very smooth. So very easy, but this is going to make like a perfect round seal if that's what you want. So let's use this one now. So you just place it there. It's 1 inch. Everything here is 1 inch. You're going to do the same thing. So you're going to put like 2/3 of this amount here. Yeah, that should be good. Let me use my tree again, and then it's the same. The only difference is that it's not because it has that space inside, it's going to stay inside that 1 inch tool there. So you just wait a few seconds and then pull it out. It will be perfectly round. So it's an easy tool that you can make with your paper, very thick paper. Just make sure that it's like one, at least I would say 1/16 of an inch tall. So there you are. So here it is. So what I do is I just pull it like that again, and then you press it, and you don't leave it there for very long because this is glue. But look at that. It's perfectly round. You don't have to do anything else here. Let me color it so that you see. And there you are. Isn't this a great tip for you guys? You can make all your seals the color you want using the papers you want. So look at that. And then it's easy to glue because it's paper on the back and it's perfectly round. So that's a very, very good tip that I bring to you guys. If you want your wax, use them, but you don't have to. You can really multiply the colors and the patterns of the papers you're going to use and just have a lot of fun and things that will match your project perfectly. So I hope you enjoyed this tip today, guys. Yeah, I'll see you next. Bye-bye.